Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I have all of these packages back here that I have been gathering for the past couple of weeks or so, I would say, while I've been in and out of my house, and I want to get to them. I want to unbox them, and I figured I would open them with you and show you things that I've gotten lately. Unboxing videos have been my favorite videos to watch on YouTube for a very long time, so I like to, whenever I accumulate a few packages, do unboxings of my own and show you. So if you like unboxing videos like this one, please let me know down in the comment section and I'll continue to do them every once in a while. I know that a lot of people don't love unboxings as much as I love unboxings, so I would definitely appreciate your feedback. I'll tell you what I'm not excited about. I am not excited at all about dealing with the recycling of those boxes when I'm done filming this video. I don't know how people who get like tons and tons of PR boxes actually deal with the mess. Let me stop rambling and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go a few packages at a time, so I went ahead and grabbed a handful of the boxes back there, and here's the first thing I want to show you. It is from Nomad Cosmetics, and I'm not gonna lie, I already opened this one because I wanted to use it today. So this is the palette that I'm wearing on my eyes today. I'm planning to do multiple looks with it when I review it, of course. And first impressions, I loved it. So take a look right here. This is the new Nomad Cosmetics Fêtes de Provence. I know I have some French subscribers and I would like to apologize in advance because I have never taken a word of French in my life. Never ever. I have no idea how anything is pronounced, and there's a lot of words in this palette that I know I'm going to butcher, so I apologize in advance. But take a look at this stunning color story. This was already announced on their website and it releases July 12th, I believe. Remember, if you are going to go for anything Nomad Cosmetics, you can use my code PATTY10 to get 10% off, and so far I loved it and I cannot wait to show you that video once I get to playing with this palette a little bit more and uploading it. The second box is from Lys Beauty. If you saw my Lys Beauty Cream Bronzer fiasco from where I first tried it, I had gotten the medium shade. It is such a highly pigmented product. I did not measure well the amount I put on and I ended up looking very silly with their new bronzer. I posted a video about it on my Instagram account just for a quick laugh, and they reached out, they asked me for my address, and they sent me some goodies. One of the goodies that I requested personally was the lighter shade of the bronzer, because that way I could have options. But to be quite honest, now that I've used the light and the medium shade, I do think I still prefer the medium shade. I just now know that I have to use very little of it and not the amount that I used when I first got it. So I actually am wearing this bronzer today and I love it. And then they also sent me some other goodies along with that bronzer that I wanted to show you guys. I got a lighter shade of the Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. This one is LN3, and I'm excited to have a lighter shade because the shade I currently own from this concealer is a good match, but it's not brightening enough for me. So now I have this one that I could probably mix with it or just use the lighter shade and have a little bit more brightening underneath my eyes. They also sent me their No Limits matte bronzer and a blush color. This one is called Humble. I love their cream blushes and this one looks spectacular. Oh yeah, I like that. That's really pretty. Okay, there's something else in here I've never tried. This is their Speak Love Glossy Treatment Oil. I love gloss oils, so don't mind if I do. This feels delicious. I love. So that is everything from Lys Beauty. And then I have this box right here, which I could not believe my eyes when I saw it. I do not get used to being on Rare Beauty PR. This makes me so happy. They sent me their entire new lip liner and lipstick collection. I was way too excited, so earlier today I already filmed myself trying every single product in this box. Came with this super lovely pamphlet explaining all of the things, and then just look at the gloriousness of everything that comes in this box. Like I said, I already tried every single one of these and I was not disappointed by any. There is a couple of products out of like 10 that I probably don't see myself wearing all that often, but everything else I loved. And these actually just launched the day I'm filming this video, so if you're interested, definitely try them, because 10 out of 10. I gotta say, 10 out of 10. This Kopari box has been waiting for a while for me to open it. I've probably had it downstairs for at least a month now, and I honestly was just looking for a good reason to open it. So let me show you what's inside. It is their Tahitian Vanilla Body Collection. So it comes with a vanilla melt, the coconut melt in vanilla, and then their body butter in vanilla, Tahitian hydrating body wash. Their body wash is my favorite. This is another brand that I'm not going to ever get used to being in the PR list of, because I love Kopari body products. I am so thankful. And then the one I have not mentioned is the Tahitian Vanilla Hydrating Body Milk. It's got coconut oil, shea butter, and chamomile. Oh my god. It smells so delicious. I feel like the smell though, it's like between summer and Christmas because it's like a tiny bit coconutty, but it's so vanilla. It reminds me of Christmas. I love it. I cannot wait to put this all over my body. Let's keep going with this box right here, and to be completely honest with you, I have no idea what this could be. From Charlotte? What? Are you serious? Oh my god, what? Oh man. The Charlotte Tilbury team sent me a couple of their quick and easy look in a kit situation. I have Sun-Kissed and Golden Glow right here. I already reviewed these kits when they first came out, and as I said in that video, in my opinion, they are overpriced. I'm very thankful for the gift, of course, but I find them a little bit overpriced for what you get in here. However, the items perform beautifully. I have no complaints about the performance of these at all. I love them, but I do find them to be a little bit on the pricey side. Very luxuriously priced, if you will. The packaging is lovely, but like I said in that video, you are paying $75 for 3 mini cream products. I'm super thankful they sent these my way. I obviously was not expecting it, and I will be trying these looks. I'm actually really thankful that they're not the ones I bought myself. They're different. I have a box from Paula's Choice. This says niacinamide for everybody. So let's see what is in here. Ooh, it's a body serum. It says, because smart ingredients should not stop at your face, give your whole body the benefit of vitamins, niacinamide, D-panthenol with this powerful treatment that even tones and reduces signs of aging. This has 5% D-panthenol, and it says this restores and evens the skin tone and visibly reduces the signs of aging. And then it also came with their niacinamide 20% treatment serum, which claims to dramatically reduce the look of pores and reinforces elasticity. I've actually been wanting to try this for a while. You guys know I love my Paula's Choice skincare, so I cannot wait to try this. Or did I already have this in the past? I don't know, but thank you so much, Paula's Choice. I'm excited to have niacinamide for all over. I have my Ipsy box right here as well. This is the July one. It came with the Murad Oil and Pore Control Mattifying SPF 45. There is an Avrani Balance Restoring Oil Serum. I love this brand, Osha Cleanser. I'll definitely be trying this one. I'm excited. I really hope this smells as delicious as the rest of the line. Yes. The Ambitious Violet eyeshadow palette. It came broken, unfortunately. From Item Beauty, the Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer. And then there's this little bag that usually brings other little knickknacks. I'm super excited about this one because I think I know what it is and I totally want to use it. I have a Paula's Choice moisturizer I'm currently going through for my nighttime routine right now, and I like it, but I really want to try this one. So I think when I'm finished with my Paula's Choice moisturizer that I'm using. I'm going to switch to this, if this is what I think it is, because I don't know, but I think it should be. Okay, here we go, and this is what I was thinking. This is the Polypeptide 121 Future Cream. So this is for strength, firmness, moisturization. It has plant proteins and biotech collagen. This is 100% vegan, made in California. So I can't wait to try it, and I definitely have to keep you guys posted on this one. Always a good day when I get a box from Ardell. One love. This one was for Pride Month. Okay, this is so cute. They sent a whole fanny pack full of lashes. I have some wispies, Glamour. I'm actually wearing wispies from Ardell right now. I love them. Double Up, Mega Volume, Studio Effect. They also sent some lash glue. Check out these texture ones. I've never tried these before, but they look amazing. Next, I have a Murad box. I'm assuming is their Deep Relief Acne Treatment, which I need right now. It is that time of the month, and I woke up yesterday with pimples all over my face. I have a couple right in the center of my nose. I look like a freaking rhino. So I might be showering and putting this on my face as soon as I'm done filming this video. Ooh, we got merch. I love merch. Okay. A hair clip. Yes, please. It says hashtag free the pimple. I love that. And here is that Deep Relief Acne Treatment with soothing phytosteroids, 2% salicylic acid acne treatment. It came with stickers as well, a t-shirt, hashtag free the pimple but don't squeeze me. I will be wearing this. It says, as a dermatologist-founded brand, we know treating cystic acne often means less than desirable cortisone steroid shots administered by a doctor. That's why we are introducing Deep Relief Acne Treatment, a serum inspired by derm procedures for deep, uncomfortable acne, no needles needed. And if you don't necessarily have cystic acne and you just get the occasional pimple like I did yesterday, it also says that this product can be used as an occasional targeted treatment for deep, painful pimples that flare up here and there. So there you have it. I don't think I currently have any acne treatment, so like I said, I'll definitely be putting it on my face tonight. Oh my god, I almost forgot to show you. Only 2 more boxes to go. This one right here says it's from BareMinerals, so let's see. So what they sent over is the Bare Pro 16 Hour Skin Perfecting Foundation Powder. They sent me 3 different shades of this. I need to try it. It says that it's powered by natural botanicals, pineapple complex with peony extract, and sugarcane derived squalene. It says it helps to hydrate and nourish for smoother, more even skin. A hydrating powder foundation. Okay, I must try this, right? Do you guys want a whole video reviewing it? Because I could do that with like a wear test and whatnot, first impressions. Let me know in the comments. So Sigma sent me some stuff. It is quite heavy. Sigma sent me a box of PR when I had 1,000 subscribers. This was years ago. I had 1,000 subscribers and they sent me a whole PR box. I did a video saying my first PR unboxing ever, and then they did some changes, I guess, in their company, and I no longer received anything else from them. And then recently they reached out again and they asked me if I wanted to receive some goodies, and of course I said yes. So let's see what is in the box. Oh my god, it says, "Hi Patty, I'm so excited to share our 2022 launches so far with you. I hope you love them as much as I do. XX Lauren." All of them? All of the 2022 launches? Oh my god. Look at it all. Wow. Let's see. A few of you have asked me about the Sigma eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so we have the Sigma New Mood palettes. This looks much better in person than it does on pictures, let me tell you, because I remember seeing pictures of this online and I don't remember it being this beautiful. Take a look right there at the shimmers and the mattes and the mauvey pinkies, which I love. Oh my god. I'm so excited to play with this one. Wow. I'm going to show you everything, but I'm not going to open or swatch anything because I can actually do a video trying all of the things Sigma has released in 2022 so far. So there is a couple of blushes in there. Berry Love and Nearly Wild. Lipstick and lip gloss in Passionate and New Mod. Their matte bronzer in Light and Medium. Highlighter in Moonbeam and Sunstone. Beaming Glow illuminating powder in Fairy Dust. This massive looking brush right here, the F78 Ultimate Bronze Brush. Some Hydro Melt lip masks. Okay, the names of the shades are Tint, Tranquil, and All Hearts. I have more highlighters in Golden Hour, Twilight, Sizzle, and Savannah. And more blushes in Bronze Star, Sunkissed, Tiger Lily, and Cor de Rosa. Cor de Rosa, I am 99.9% sure I used to have from Sigma. And the packaging was different because it was like a bigger pan. And then there's some mini eyeshadow palettes. This one is the Enchanted mini eyeshadow palette and the Cor de Rosa mini eyeshadow palette. Or maybe that just sounds familiar because the name of the palette is Cor de Rosa. I'm confused. If you guys know the answer, let me know. There's also a Warm Neutrals and an Ambience mini eyeshadow palette. And last but not least, this Modern Glam brush set right here with 5 cutting edge brushes and a beauty bag, which looks amazing. Okay, just like I predicted, I'm finishing this video with a huge mess in my room, but everything is out, everything is unboxed, and I showed you absolutely everything I had waiting. So if you guys liked today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Definitely let me know your feedback on unboxing videos. Like I said, they are my favorite videos to watch. So let me know if you also like watching them. And that is all I have for today's video. If you want a video on all of this Sigma stuff, definitely let me know. And also on the BareMinerals powder foundation. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see you back in the next one. Bye.